We're here right now. We're here right now with the Mona captain, Hakeem Bernard. Unfortunate performance. Please speak to us about how you're feeling right now.
Well, I'm not feeling good in myself because I think I should save. Well, I feel good in myself still because those penalties, if you as a foul get a penalty, you should put them away still, but you score them. But I think that was not a penalty, those two penalties.
Alright, this game is over. You guys still qualified for the next round. Speak to us about how you guys will manage to recover in the semi-final of the Champions Cup after losing the first game.
Well, I swear to God, I think we get enough chance to finish and we never put it away. So we need to work on that somewhere, is it? Work on our finishes and we're going to come back.
Alright, so how would you have improved there? What would you say you guys could have done better today to get the win?
Finishing. We get enough chance to finish. That's all.
Alright, so going back to the drawing board, how will you guys prepare for the semi-final, the upcoming semi-final?
Just go back to the training ground and do like what the coach has to do and just deal with and come back stronger.
Do you think today's performance will affect your guys psychologically?
No. We think we get enough chance. We should win the game. Those penalties, it's not penalties. I swear to God.
And being the leader and the captain of the team, what is your role in getting the boys up and ready again for the next game?
Just be humble and just wait again.
And lastly, speak to us about John Richards, scoring a hat-trick. You'd have been familiar with him. How does it feel to play against a player like him?
No, man. Everybody good. Everyone's the same. I think he's a good player.
Alright, good game again, Hakeem Bernard, and good luck in the semi-finals. Thank you.